Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Impressa Z9. The customer reported that the machine would not turn on when pressing the power button, but we're not having any issues with the power button. And we've turned it on and off several times and waited, days, kind of like turning it off one day and then going to the next day and turning it back on again and just trying several combinations to try to get it to malfunction. But it's working great. And so let's go ahead and make a test shot. Enjoy. So, thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.